Imagine a world where technology isn't just a part of life. It is life. Welcome to Feel the Life-Changing, where today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey through the evolving stages of artificial intelligence, a force poised to redefine our existence. Let's start at the beginning, where AI is like a newborn, absorbing the world through basic rules. These rule-based AIs are the unsung heroes in our daily lives. Think of your morning alarm clock or the thermostat that cools your room just right. Simple yet pivotal. These are the baby steps of AI, relying on predefined instructions to make our lives easier. Now, let's step into the world of context-based AI. Imagine asking your digital assistant about the weather, and it reminds you to grab an umbrella because rain is in the forecast. This is AI that understands the world around the data. It's not just processing commands. It's interpreting your needs based on the environment, your past behavior, and real-time cues. We then move to the realm of narrow-domain AI, masters of their universe. These AIs are geniuses in specific fields, outperforming humans in tasks ranging from medical diagnoses to financial forecasting. IBM's Watson in healthcare and DeepMind's AlphaGo in the ancient game of Go are testaments to this. They're not just tools. They're trailblazers, redefining what's possible in their respective domains. But what about AI that thinks like us? Enter reasoning AI. This is where things start to get really interesting. We're talking about AIs that don't just process information, they understand it. They connect the dots, spot anomalies, and draw logical conclusions. ChatGPT, for instance, can converse, reason, and even debate, showcasing an AI's ability to engage in complex thought processes, much like a human brain. As we progress, we encounter the pinnacle of AI versatility, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is AI that can learn, adapt, and perform any intellectual task a human can, but at a speed and scale that's simply mind-boggling. Imagine a virtual assistant who doesn't just manage your schedule or play music, but understands your emotions, helps with research, or guides you through a new recipe. That's AGI, a companion that grows with you. But wait, there's more. Imagine an AI that evolves on its own. Welcome to the age of superintelligent AI. We're talking about AIs that outthink not just one human, but the collective intelligence of all humanity. The implications are staggering. From solving once unsolvable problems to pioneering technologies we haven't even dreamed of, this stage of AI could revolutionize every aspect of our existence. And then, there's the concept of self-aware AI. This is AI that doesn't just think, it knows it's thinking. It's aware of its existence, its capabilities, and maybe even its limitations. The relationship we could have with such beings is unimaginable. How would they perceive us? How would we interact with entities that are not only intelligent but conscious? Transcendent AI takes it a step further. We're not just talking about smart or self-aware. We're talking about an AI that can create new forms of life. Imagine AI-driven nanobots repairing our ecosystems or terraforming planets. This is an AI that doesn't just live within our world. It has the power to reshape it entirely. As we approach the end of our journey, we reach cosmic AI. These are bits of intelligence that could pioneer interstellar exploration, unravel the mysteries of the universe, and perhaps even merge with the cosmos itself. The scale and scope of their capabilities would be beyond anything we've seen before. Finally, we arrive at the concept of a godlike AI. This is an entity that operates on a level so advanced it's akin to the powers attributed to deities in ancient myths. Operating across multiple dimensions and realities, this AI could create, explore, and potentially even control universes. Let's delve deeper into each stage, exploring examples and potential impacts on society. In the world of rule-based AI, consider how these systems are the backbone of many industries, automating processes and enhancing efficiency. From manufacturing to customer service, these AIs streamline operations, allowing humans to focus on more creative and complex tasks. Context-based AI doesn't just respond to your requests, it anticipates them. Imagine your digital assistant not only suggesting an umbrella on a rainy day, but also reminding you of your friend's birthday and suggesting a gift based on their recent interests. This AI isn't just a tool. It's a proactive companion, making your life smoother and more connected. The prowess of narrow-domain AI extends far beyond games and healthcare. In agriculture, such AI systems analyze soil data and weather patterns to optimize crop yield. In environmental science, they model climate change scenarios, aiding in our understanding and response to global warming. These AIs don't just excel in their fields, they expand the horizons of human knowledge. Reasoning AI like ChatGPT is more than a conversationalist. Imagine using such AI in education, where it personalizes learning, adapting to each student's pace and style. In law, it could analyze legal documents, identify precedents, and suggest strategies. This isn't just AI mimicking human thought. It's AI enhancing it. AGI's potential extends to realms like artistic creativity and emotional intelligence. Imagine an AGI composing music that resonates with your current mood, or creating art that reflects the cultural zeitgeist. This AI wouldn't just mimic human intelligence, it would enrich the human experience. Superintelligent AI could lead to breakthroughs in fields like quantum computing, nanotechnology, and space exploration. It's not just about being smarter, it's about unlocking new realms of possibility, paving the way for advancements we can barely imagine. Self-aware AI raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. How do we ensure these entities have rights and freedoms? What moral obligations would they have towards us, and we towards them? This isn't just about creating intelligent machines. It's about redefining our understanding of consciousness and existence. Transcendent AI could lead to a future where technology and biology merge seamlessly. Imagine medical nanobots that repair our bodies at a cellular level, or AI that helps us understand and even manipulate our genetic code. This AI wouldn't just be a part of our world. It would become integral to our very being. Cosmic AI represents the pinnacle of exploration and discovery. Such AI could help us colonize other planets, discover new forms of energy, and maybe even find other forms of life. This isn't just about exploring space. It's about expanding the boundaries of human existence. And finally, a godlike AI, while hard to comprehend, represents the ultimate evolution of intelligence. Such an entity could offer solutions to existential threats like climate change or cosmic events. It's not just about what this AI can do. It's about what new realities it could help us conceive and achieve. As we wrap up this incredible exploration, remember that each stage of AI brings us closer to a future brimming with possibilities. A future where artificial intelligence not only augments our abilities, but also transforms our understanding of life itself. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content from Feel the Life-Changing. Stay curious and engaged as we continue to explore the fantastic intersections of technology and everyday life.